Okay, so welcome everyone to the Cool Coders. So today, we're gonna see like how we can download MySQL database IntelliJ for development, right? Basically, it's a IDE like Spring Toolsuite and Eclipse, and Lombok API for removing setters and getters, like constructors, all kind of toString methods, right? All kind of constructor and toString methods. We're gonna use this Lombok for the replacement of those. But first of all, we have to download today like MySQL database, how uh how the steps or which steps we need to follow to download it. So I will explain everything. So for that, you have to go to the Google and search MySQL download. Okay, MySQL download you have to search, and this is the official site of MySQL. Please click on this and you can come down. Okay, completely all the way down. You can see like MySQL community GPL downloads. So basically what we have to download is community versions. So just click on this link and you will be redirect to this another page where everything is mentioned. Like based upon your requirement, you have to download it. MySQL community server is there. Okay. And for Python, there is some extension over here. Like that, we can see MySQL Workbench also there. But what we need to do download, right? Installer, MySQL installer for Windows. So we will click here and we can say two things over here. One is MSI installer 8632 bit and Microsoft Windows is there. And this is one Windows installer that is 354. So we have to download this one. Okay. Whole package we have to download it. Just click on the download. And here, if you want to create the MySQL login ID, user ID and password, you can connect or you can sign up the Oracle web account. So if you don't want to create the Oracle account, then simply you can say no thanks, just start my download over here. Okay, then it will start downloading. It will take some time, okay, to completion of the download. Now we can see like it's almost done. 290 300 MB crossed. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds, like around 10 seconds. Then I will show you like how we can install easily, because a lot of software will be downloaded over here as part of the dependencies. Okay, so we have to skip few things. The software we don't need, we will not download it. Okay, so just click or just open the file. Yeah, you can see it's showing like prepare for install. So just hit enter. Like, do you want to allow this app to make changes into a device? Click yes. Then again, click yes. Okay, see here, we will see like 2 to 3 options: server, client, full, and custom. So if you click on the full, it will download everything like MySQL server, Sail, MySQL router, MySQL workbench, documentation, and everything. But I don't want full. I want custom. So I will choose what I need to download it, right? So choose custom and go to next. You can see you just expand this MySQL server. We need MySQL server. This is the first thing because we need to communicate with the MySQL server, right? Then applications, we want MySQL Workbench for GUI based, application. We can directly see database, right? We can see the tables and all in the GUI format, right? Next, MySQL cell, we need to download this cell for it's not rapidly used because it's connected with the workbench. Sometimes we will use the cell. Okay, so these three things we want. If you want a router, then you can go for it, but I don't want router, even though router is not needed for us. right? So just click on the next and execute it. So again, it will take your internet. Okay, internet speed will based upon your internet speed, it will download. Okay, see here C++ something is showing, right? Virtual C++. You just click on agree and install it because it's the dependencies. So whatever application will pop up over here, you have to download and install it. Okay. The video will be longer because it will take some time. 25-30 minutes it will take because lot of application will be downloaded internally and dependencies application also. See, setup completed, just close it and just click on next. You can see install done, right? So click on next, then execute again. Again, it will install here, right? This should be 100%. This is the easy way to install MySQL server. Okay. Without any problem, we will install it. Because if you click on the full installations, lot of software will unnecessary download into your system. So we don't want that. That's why I kept as custom so that I can choose according to me. Okay, just wait for it. Workbench is almost done, 99%. Here my SQL cell is currently downloading. Okay, yeah, it started now. It's 45% now currently. Okay, let's wait for a few more seconds. We click on the show details, it will show like how it is downloading, what the software it's actually downloading it. This is the last part, which will take some time. Okay, after that we do have two more steps. One is product configurations and the installation complete. So here in the product configuration, we need to choose what is the username we want to, or what is the password for the MySQL server. Okay, that's two things will be communicated over here. In the basically in the product common configurations. Okay, so basically we will choose like root as our username and root as our password. So that is the simple thing. Don't put any other words, other password and username because might be you will forget. But root, it's very easy to remember as well as the by default is root. So we should provide root as the username and root as the password. Okay, now it's completed. Click on next. Then here MySQL server will again download, ready to configure. Click on next. See, this is the development computer. If in the company there will be some dedicated computer or server computer, but here we no need to change anything. This should be the development computer because we need to start the development. Okay. So by default, MySQL port number is 3306. We no need to change it. If you want, then you can change it. No problem. Just click on next. Okay. Then just click on next. Okay. Here it's showing like MySQL root. The root is the username and it's showing what you want. So I just simply kept root ROOT. Here also confirm password root. Okay. Then here two options are there. If you want to add the URL, you should provide over here, right? In fact, that is not currently needed. We will do it by other options also, right? So please click on the next. Then just again click on the next. Again click on next. Then execute it. So it will all should be tick mark. If anything failed, then again you have to download or again you have to install it. So make sure this mark will be correct for all the tick mark will be there. Okay, see the configuration MySQL server was successful. Click finish to continue. Just finish it. then click on next. Here I'm just closing this one because it's once it finishes, it will automatically start the workbench. I don't need that. Okay, just click on finish. So this is how you will download and install the MySQL. For the confirmation, you can come here to search MySQL. You can see this is the cell, this is the workbench, and this is the server, MySQL command line client. Okay, so click here. It will open the terminal. Okay, command from terminal. Here it's showing enter the password. We given password as root. So just keep the root or type root here and press enter. Then yeah, it's successfully connected with the MySQL. Then we will create a database and all. Okay, everything will be we can create over here. So this is the installation procedure, how we install the and how we download and how we install the MySQL. Okay, so make sure you are choosing the correct format, that is custom, not all. It's custom download so that you can choose according to yourself. Okay, right. Thank you. Bye bye.